All right, hello there, guys. We are, where are we? What's this place called, do you know?
It's runoff from Oak Creek.
Runoff from Oak Creek or something. Or, no, isn't it from the Verde?
No, it's from Oak Creek.
Okay, so it is April 2nd now, and it's like 75 degrees, but I bet that water is still freezing cold. I've got some dive fins and some other diving stuff. I'm going to get into this ice cold water, and it's going to suck, but it's also going to be great. So I'm going to take you along for the ride while we do that. And this is my lovely wife. Come here, wife.
Oh, lovely wife.
This is my lovely wife.
Lovely wife just looks so lovely right now.
You look pretty lovely. So we're just going to start walking over there. Kind of a short walk, actually. Short drive, short walk. Kind of a basic spot, very easy. I tried to dive here last year and didn't really work out because, well, it was cloudy and, oh, hello, lizard. It was cloudy and, the water was really fast. It was just, we'd gotten there during the monsoon season, so.
Right after a big storm.
Right after a big storm, and we tried again another time, and it was just too cloudy. Couldn't see anything. There was no point. Got really scary. Let me tell you, you go down about 2 feet, you can't see anything. It's pitch black. And so, yeah, we didn't.
His lovely wife's afraid of open water, so.
That's true, too.
Comforting.
Now, she's not much of a diver, but that's okay. Because hopefully today I'll get her to at least put her face in the water. It's I think I can do it.
You should really raise your standards. Maybe she'll put her head under the liquid that we'll be swimming in for a moment.
I mean, with the goggles and the snorkel.
Let's see.
Yeah, we'll see what happens with that. But beautiful Arizona, you know, existence.
That's actually really a pretty cactus.
Pretty cactus.
There's one other too.
I think you guys can see the pretty cactus and the pretty purple flowers and some of the yellow flowers hanging around.
Have you tried swiping from top down because that flips the camera for me?
No, really?
Yeah.
What's that? Let me see.
Just like this.
Nope.
Oh no, it's not working.
No.
I'm a liar.
It doesn't work. No. So once we put it on the selfie camera, it's kind of where it's staying until we change it a little bit. Man, that glare though is real, huh?
So we could just like freeze frame.
Let me switch it back over this way, maybe. There we go. You need to be on the side of me. Maybe. My bright bald head is lighting up everything and everybody, so.
We'll just stop what we're doing, freeze frame, stop it, turn the camera around, and then push record again.
Okay.
Like it just flipped the camera.
Yeah, we can do that.
We'll edit that part out.
Yeah, so we'll edit the part talking about that out, right?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to leave it there.
Creative and clever, and you're choosing to ignore that.
Well, I tried it yesterday, but I couldn't get the right frame, so I don't know if it'll work. Man, this sun is pounding on my bald head.
Told you to wear a hat.
I thought about not doing that and chose not to do that, and that was a bad idea. Anyway.
It was a bad idea.
Yeah. Okay, well,
when there was a car fire yesterday, and I was standing outside, this whole side of me got burned, so I'm glad the sun's on that side, so it evens out a little.
Oh, hey, by the way, guys, yesterday we had probably the worst April Fool's joke ever, because it wasn't a joke. Our car caught on fire yesterday while she was driving home from work, and yeah, that sucks. Here's an image of that. And I have a 2-second clip of her saying, "Oh my gosh." And I could have shown you that clip faster than it would be for me to explain that, but here's that clip.
Oh my gosh. Okay, but in videos, when you see them say, "Here's a picture of that," and they put it in, you're like, "Oh, that's really cool. I can't believe they thought to say that." But in real life, you're just sitting there like, "Here's a clip of that."
Yeah.
I'm like, am I supposed to pull out my phone? Like.
All right, guys, so we are here down at the water now. Look at that beautiful running water. Gorgeous. Pretty shallow over here, but we're going to a little spot that's a little bit bigger. Hey, those rocks weren't there last time. I'll show you these rocks out there. All those rocks, they weren't here last time. Flash floods, guys. Dangerous. Real sketchy. Oh yeah. Hey, let's flip that camera, huh? There we go. There's still no button to do it, but you get really close. Those rocks right over there are the ones that I'm talking about. Whoop. Nice, big, long, wide shot. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, we're going to be diving into this greenish colored water over here. We'll see how far we can get down. It doesn't look super muddy. I can see where the water is kind of going down, so should be somewhat clear down on the bottom, but I don't know. Wife, what are we doing? What are you doing? Are you just going to try to get into the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to try.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. Might be way, way, way cold. Regardless of how cold it is, I'm getting in. I may not like it.
His wife is a wimp. It might not happen.
Yeah, it might not happen for her, but it'll happen for me. So you guys will see me as I go in there for the first time. It'll be really cold. You're gonna love it.
All right, we are officially recording. You ready? You can do this.
It's muddy.
Yeah, you just stepped in mud.
Oh.
How bad is it?
Okay, there you go. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold.
How cold?
It's cold. Like colder than, like as cold as refrigerator water, I think.
So in the 40s, 30s?
Oh no, it's probably in its 40s, but it's still pretty cold.
That's still chilly, yeah.
Okay guys, so this
Holy
water
balls.
is really cold, but it's clear. Definitely diviness. You should back up a little bit because I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be pulled in whether I want to or not.
Do it. Do it.
Okay. Remember, April, still spring, kind of cold. Not so cold, but cold. You ready?
Also keeping in mind this is technically spring water, so it's like exceptionally cold.
It is melt off water, yes. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god.
Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, it's cold. Oh,
Is it cold?
oh, it's cold.
Tell me more.
Oh, well, the temperature of the water is less than that of my body, and oh, it's cold. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
He's very descriptive.
It's cold, guys. Oh, it is cold. Ooh,
I feel
a good
like
time. I am feeling great right now. Lots of energy.
that's probably the shock.
No, the shock was not being able to breathe as soon as I jumped into the water. That was pretty bad.
Oh, I
You
imagine.
looking at me or are you looking at the ground?
Looking at you, sort of. I was
looking at the
glancing
ground.
around. There's waterfalls.
You
Look
looking at my
it.
sick body.
I was, of course. Look at waterfall. He has no idea I'm taking this, so don't get mad at me, Richard, when you're editing this. Practicing snorkeling. But just so we get a really good view of everything going on. Glasses? Hey, you needed some of those.
Sunglasses. First find of the day. Took me 10 seconds. I haven't even actually started looking yet.
Good thing I started recording when I did. Yep.
Hey guys, so I got these fins at the Mission Thrift Store, which is essentially like a Goodwill, basically. These are $90 fins. We got them for $6.
Don't you dare hand that to me.
Oh. It was going with the rest of the trash pile, so it's good.
I don't trust the wind right now.
Fair enough. Oh, okay. So, alright. We're gonna go ahead and give these babies a test run. Get up there.
Let's do like Survivor style confessionals. Why did you vote to do this today?
I did it for you, the viewers.
That's a stupid plan.
I have a serious masochistic feeling. Is it masochistic or sadistic?
Masochistic when you want to hurt yourself.
Okay, I'm just very masochistic apparently. Oh my gosh, get off that glasses away. Okay, I think I got them on there.
It's nice that your goggles that you found and your flippers that you found are the exact same color.
Oh, hey, yeah. These are all just made for me.
And
All
your
right.
trunks match too.
Oh,
Black with
gosh.
a little bit of blue.
I did this on purpose, you know, guys, so, yeah. All right. I gotta go back under.
Let's
see
do
what I
this
can
B-roll
find.
shit.
Glasses in the first 5 seconds. Hopefully I can get some more stuff.
Monster in there is still good, right? Oh, it's Mike's harder.
Mike's harder.
Hey, you hate those. Just wanted to show you guys really quick. Look at all the little shells. Isn't that fun? We have all this lovely water. It looks a lot more green in person. I don't think that's translating on the camera very much, but it's beautiful.
We're walking along over here through the river trying to find another spot. When we come across this little guy, it's going to kind of be difficult to see. He's kind of really well hidden over here somewhere. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hey, little guy. There he goes. There he goes. He's big and he's handsome and he's scared of us. I don't know where he went.
Over the hills and far from her, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Alright guys, so we are here at whatever this place is called. We did our diving, we did our fishing, or
Let's call it
swimming,
Mormon Crossing.
whatever it is. And we found some snakes. That was cool. A snake. So cool stuff. Anyway guys, that's I think that's going to be it for this video. Unless something crazy happens on our drive out of here. So,
Lord knows, I hope it doesn't.
alright, like a car catching on fire.
Okay, really?
I can't help it. That was... Anyway, thank you guys for watching. You've been awesome. And, oh, look at that. Perfect thing to end on. Okay, well, the perfect thing to end on was an eagle, and we couldn't get the picture of it because it flew off. Alright, bye.